Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make tricolor casserole made with carrot, cauliflower and broccoli, which is not just simple and quick to make, but tastes delicious also. So friends, let's get started with this yummy and cheesy casserole recipe. So for my tricolor casserole, I have taken here one broccoli cut into medium florets, 2 large carrots sliced in this way, 1 small cauliflower cut into medium florets, and these veggies has been blanched so they are partially cooked. And now we are going to make a creamy white sauce. For that, heat a pot or saucepan and into it goes 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 2 cubes of butter. And when the butter melts, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of refined flour, and on low flame we will saute the flour well until it blends well with the butter. Now gradually add milk bit by bit while continuously stirring and mixing it. Keep on adding milk until you get a smooth consistency. And now I'm going to season the sauce with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix the seasoning well with the sauce. Now increase the flame to high. Next goes a small bowl of grated parmesan cheese and some grated cheddar cheese. Mix this well. And we will let the sauce simmer for another 1 minute so that it thickens slightly. So by now our sauce is thick and creamy and it's ready. I'll turn off the flame now. Now generously pour the prepared sauce over the broccoli florets, carrot slices and the cauliflower florets. And with the help of a spoon, mix the sauce well with the veggies one by one, so that they are well combined with the sauce. Alright, mixing is done. Next, take an oven safe dish and grease it with some olive oil. First I will place or line the carrot mixture. Then goes the cauliflower. And finally the broccoli with the creamy sauce. Now generously add some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. You can of course add any other cheese of your choice besides this. Adding more cheese makes the casserole more yummy and cheesy. Finally, I will sprinkle some oregano and chilli flakes on top. So our tricolor casserole is now ready to be baked. I have already preheated my oven and now I'm going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes approx, as my veggies are already blanched. And after 20 minutes, our tricolor casserole is baked properly. It looks very yummy and cheesy, isn't it? So friends, do try this yummy and cheesy tricolor casserole. Also share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.